welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys, we are going to talk about guys, how can we solve guys this problem, this color problem guys you have in your phone. So guys, how can you solve guys this color problem in your Poco phone guys? Now let's see guys, how can we solve guys this color problem guys. You can see guys in your phone guys, you can see everything look like ghost. So guys, how can we solve this problem in our Poco mobile? So don't worry guys, today I have solution this problem. Then guys, you can solve this color problem guys. We call it color inversion, and today video title is how to solve color inversion setting. So first of all, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it friends, you can see this type of setting friends. Click on guys your phone additional setting guys, tap here again, scroll friends, you can see your accessibility setting guys, tap here guys, click on your second option vision setting. Then guys again scroll friends, you can see this color inversion setting guys, tap here guys, you can see guys this about color inversion setting guys. Right side this icon guys, you will have to tap here, then guys this problem will solve in your Poco phone. And friends, you can see about color inversion guys, how can you on use and how can you use it guys. So like that guys, you can use your phone without this problem guys. You can see everything is fine in our Poco phone guys, we can use easily. So like that guys, you can solve this color inversion problem. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys, we will meet on next video.